We love our city, our neighborhoods, and the homes that we live in. But many neighborhoods don't have the ability to add square footage to their homes, unless we dig down. Many Portland homes have shallow basements that are currently unusable, and that's where we come in. TerraFirma Foundation Systems turns your unusable space into usable space that is permittable, humidity-controlled, and guaranteed waterproof. Our process is efficient and effective. First, we stabilize the foundation with our exclusive piering system. We then reinforce the space to create a structurally sound area. Next, our team removes any existing flooring and excavates down to the desired depth of your new basement. Now, we're ready for our Shotcrete wall system, which stabilizes the existing walls. We then install our WaterGuard system, which mitigates any water, keeping your new space dry and comfortable. After the drain system is installed, a new slab is poured. The result? A beautiful blank canvas for your new space, perfect for a growing family, man cave, mother-in-law suite, or as a rental space. Add flexibility and property value with TerraFirma Foundation Systems, and feel free to dream.